Good morning friends. Here in this video now we're going to be solve our remaining question. Okay. So first of all, how many pouches of 20-gram cloves each can make from 1 kg and 240 gram of cloves? Now what they are saying, they want to make a pouch. And for one pouch how much is needed? 20 gram. Okay, for one making pouch they need 20 gram. But the total clubs we have 1 kg and 240. I said 1 kg and 240. Now what you can see here, it is in gram. If we are giving, we have 10 pages. Okay, and each person will get 2 pages. So how many percent you will get? How many percent we have? We have to divide from total to this. So if we divide, you will get 5. So how many percent is there? 5%. Okay, each person will get 2. Like that only we have to divide from total to this 20. Now what we are doing here, it is in kg, here it is gram. We can't divide because we have two different units. So first of all we have to make same unit and then we can divide. Now that question is here. One pouch is 20 gram, total grams. We have to convert this 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram plus 240 gram. After adding you will get 1240 gram. Okay, now we can divide because it is gram and here also it is gram. So from total we have to divide this 20 to get how many pouches we can get. So after dividing you will get 62. Okay, now second question. Seema's mother brought 1 meter 70 centimeter cloth for kurta. सीमा की मदर ने कुर्ते के लिए 1 मीटर 70 सेंटीमीटर का क्लॉथ लाया. नाउ फॉर शर्ट हाउ मच ही शी ब्रॉट? 2 मीटर एंड 40 सेंटीमीटर. And how much did she buy to all? Means they are asking total amount of clothes she buy. Okay, so how we can do? We have to add them. We have two units, meter and centimeter. We'll write meter here and centimeter here, and we're going to be add here. Now see how we can add. 2 meter and 70 centimeter for kurta, 2 meter 40 centimeter for shirt. Okay, after adding you will get here 0 plus 0, 7 plus 4, 11. But here it is greater than unit. Yes or no? It is greater than 100. So what will do? It will convert as 100 plus 10. But 100 means what? 1 meter. So you will going to be add here 1 meter and remaining you will write here, which is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how many total clothes she buy? 5 meter and 10 centimeter. Understood? Now, a water tank hold 150 liter of water. If 97 liter 500 milliliter of water is used, how much water is remaining? Suppose in the tank we have suppose this is your tank. Okay, this is your tank, and the total amount of water holding of this tank is 4 liter. Okay, we have a small tank only, so that will be contain a 4 liter. Okay, so but you have used the 3 liter. How much is remaining? How we can find? We have to subtract. Yes, here also we are going to be subtracted. 4 minus 3, if we will subtract, we will get 1 liter. Here also we have to subtract from 125 to 97 liter 50. See how we can subtract. Now it is here, it is 0. We can't subtract it. So what we have to do? We have to from here 1 we have to take, and that 1 we have to convert into millimeter. Now 1 liter equal to how much milliliter? We know that 1 liter we have 1000 milliliter. Understood? And then if you are taking 1 here, we'll convert this milliliter, which is 1000. Now we can subtract 1000 minus 500, we get 500. And after subtracting this to 124 minus 97, you will get 27. So how much water is left? 27 and 500. Got it? Next question. Harminder about 57 kg 500 gram of wheat from one shop. Harminder, from one shop he bought this much wheat. And from and 36 kg and 800 wheat from another shop. He brought from two shops. Okay. How much wheat did he buy? Altogether means directly we have to add. Okay, so we have to add both the values, but the units are different. So one side you will add kg and second side you will gram. After adding you will get your answer. Simple. Like that you have to add. Okay, after 850 I told you whatever the addition you will do this side, they remain this side, and this side will be this side. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 5, you will get 13. Now 13 is greater, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and which is greater, this is greater than this. So 13 will convert as 1000 plus 300 equal to 1 kg plus 300. But this 1 kg will write here. We have to convert this. This will become 94 and 300. Okay. Okay. Renu took a part of race, 100-meter race. Okay, the total path of race track is 100 meter. She tripped and fall after running 850. Okay, this will the part of 100-meter race, and what she had done, she fall down here after covering 80 meter and 50 centimeter. We have to find this length. How we can find? From total we will going to subtract this and we'll get this. Yes or no? Yes. If we subtract, you will get, suppose here it is upside is 100 na, or upside we have to write 0. So what we'll do? We can't subtract 0 and 50. So what we'll do? We will take 1 here. Okay, it will become 99, and 1 meter equal to how much? 100 centimeters. So that one will convert as 100. Now we can subtract 100 minus 50, you will get 50. 99 minus 80, you will get 19. So how much path is remaining? 19 meter and 50 centimeter to cover. Understood? Now a sack said 40 kg and 300 gram of vegetable. Okay, there are 70 kg and 700 potato and 13 kg of 400 kg of cabbage, and the rest were onion. What was the weight of the onion? We have to find this. Okay, how we can find, we'll see.